What up, y'all? It's your boy two-time Moto TV, and we back with another video, guys. Hopefully today's video is gonna be a banger. I've been waiting to do this for a long time. First of all, check this antenna out that I bought yesterday from AutoZone, y'all. I like this little thing here. I did have a hole here, so I had a hole there for the life of the car. That's where they had the police antenna at. But it actually looks pretty good, man. It makes the car look like a little toy and whatnot. But yeah, man, today we're gonna be chopping off the two rear catalytic converters. I know I spoke to a lot of you guys in the comments, and you guys told me that it's not gonna throw a check engine light. For the reviews that I was doing online and stuff, some of the guys said that it threw one for them. A lot of folks said that it didn't. So I'm gonna get it cut right there at that catalytic converter. I'm not trying to go any closer to the sensor, because I know for sure that that's gonna probably throw the code. So yeah, guys, she's a little filthy, but look at what kind of weather we got. I can't wash nothing in weather like this. It ain't gonna do nothing but get right back dirty. So yeah, man, I'm gonna give you guys what the car sound like inside on startup. This is hold on, first off, let me show you guys the whole setup I got so far. I got the 4 catalytic converters, you know, the normal stuff. And then I have an exhaust leak here. And I have an exhaust leak on that side as well, at that same spot. So he's gonna chop this off today, cut it about right there. And then I'm gonna get him to cut all of that weak stuff off right there. And then mend it back into this 3-inch pipe. I think that's like a 2 and some change. That's a 3-inch. So yeah, and also I got the 2 single chamber FlowMasters. One right there and one on the other side. And the reason why I chose to go with that, guys, is because it's the closest thing that you can get to straight pipe. If you guys haven't watched the rest of my videos, I've been talking about exhaust for a little while now. So it's the closest thing I can get to straight pipe, but it does have 1 chamber in it, so it'll get a car a distinctive sound. It won't give it that straight pipe sound like everybody else Crown Vic probably has, or what everybody usually go for. So yeah, man, I just wanted something different. Also, it leads into 4-inch tips. I'm gonna get those changed out another day. I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna actually order some black tips, some black circular like Mercury Marauder looking tips. So that's the whole full exhaust setup, and that's what I want him to do today. So without further ado, man, I'm gonna walk back over here and I'm gonna go ahead and crank the car up, let you guys hear what it sounds like inside on startup. It's not bad, it's not quiet, but you can definitely hear this exhaust leak. Actually sounds pretty good, y'all, so I'm gonna be fairly amazed when he chopped them 2 cats off and then get rid of that exhaust leak. Any kind of exhaust leak that you have on your exhaust will quiet it down a lot, and it will make it sound like trash. Yeah, so you guys can hear what it sounds like now with me revving it up. She also got a few little pops with it too, which is what I like. And I know that that's gonna be a lot more when I do cut them cats off, because then it have less chambers to flow through and everything. So I'm gonna turn it off, let you guys hear what it sounds like on startup. So I'm gonna set the camera up for you guys. So yeah, y'all, she does not sound bad at all, man. I definitely need to get this. Look, it's even leaking with condensation from this part right here on both sides. Yeah, that's the issue. I know it can sound 10 times better than that, so Hopefully he cuts my cats off, man. Hopefully he allows me to do it. That's what I'm going for. If not, I'm gonna let him seal that exhaust leak up, and then we're gonna do another comparison. But I believe he'll probably cut the cats off for you, boy. So yeah, man, want y'all to stay tuned. Let's get another look at Vicky. She coming right on along. That antenna do bring the car out, man. I like that. But yeah, guys, for any of y'all also that want to buy these rims, man, I will have them for sale soon. They are 28s. All of the tires have good tread on them. No curve damage. So yeah, I'm gonna sell those, and then I'm gonna go 30s very soon. I already picked out the ones I want, and then I'm gonna probably go ahead and order them. So that's gonna be coming very soon. So y'all let me know, whoever want these wheels, man. I'll give y'all a good deal on them. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for the before and after. See what it sounds like after I get this exhaust done. And I'm about to head there right now, so see y'all boys after. All right, two-time gang, we back, man. We was able to get the cats cut off, the 2 rear cats that you guys was telling me about up in the comments. No, I have not yet to throw a check engine light. So everything's good with that. So right now I'm about to give y'all guys a startup, and let's see if we hear a difference inside the car. About to rev it inside the car as well. Yo, that just brings a little joy to me, man. So look, I'm gonna give y'all guys a little sneak preview of what it looks like up underneath. As y'all can see, she black. They cut my rear cats off, and they painted all my stuff black, man. So they ran this tube, which you can see the wheel right there. They ran the tube and they painted everything black, and even painted those silver, man. Remember, it had like a little rusty color. And I'm gonna give y'all guys a rev up at the rear too, but let me tell y'all, man, I only spent 150, man. They straightened up my pipes up in the rear. This rear pipe over here was kind of like cocked at an angle, and it was pushed out that way. So right now she looks straight to me. I'm gonna definitely cut these tips off. And at the same time, when you look up underneath the car now, you don't see really my pipes hanging at all. Remember that they was hanging real low. So you guys check out the rest of my videos where I'm like off at a distance at the car. Yeah, you can see it when you like crouch down like this, but you can't see it like from here. You used to be able to see my pipes from here. So I'm gonna give you guys what everything sound like. 10 times worth of difference, man. With those 2 cats deleted, no exhaust leak. Let y'all hear it up underneath here. Everything sounds solid. And they got me right for 150 bucks, yo.
There you go, you got it. That nigga hit it. That nigga hit it. That nigga hit it too. He hit it. He hit it. That boy hitting it. Oh, okay. He getting it. He getting it. You hear him? Let's go. Let's go. Coming down. Coming down. Coming down. Coming down. yo, go ahead, hit it again, yo. Come back. My man said, I want some of this action.
Get some of that. Let me get that video.
Good.
Oh my goodness, man.
Yeah, you like that shit. Yeah, he got his video. He got a YouTube channel. Yeah, that was me. My boy Rico. Hey, y'all gotta get you out of here. You disturbing my neighbors. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, y'all gotta get you out of here. Hey, yo. Yeah, yo. Hey, yo, Dave, be safe, man. I know she about to call the cops. The lady up there. She probably.
Got nothing to worry about. If there's that one white lady that right there,
Yeah.
then yeah.
Yeah, you got a problem.
Then you got a
Yeah,
problem.
baby. No, that's his car. That's his.
I see you got the little thing, bro.
Yeah, my man. He do his.
that new exhaust, boy. You got
Bro,
that on burner. Appreciate it, boss. I just got it.